Blizzard's still not back, but I mean, like, I wonder when he's gonna come back, bro. Wait. Blizzard? Oh my god, bro. Wait, prove that it's you. Prove that it's you. Talk.
Uh-oh.
Wait, it actually is Blizzard.
Let me do Timmy.
Alright, do Timmy. This is Blizzard. This is Blizzard right now, bro. This is the actual Blizzard. I don't even know what we're gonna do with this video. We're probably just gonna be like talking about like Blizzard's gonna be getting like some subscribers, I guess. I don't even know. I'm gonna try to make him my baby boy, my little baby boy, to get a lot of subscribers, because I mean I want him to be successful in life. I mean YouTube career, and his YouTube career, and he just tried to hump me. All right, I like that, but oh
nice
yeah,
ass.
I know, right?
How many? Wait, hold up. Counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
So I rizzed up my teacher. I rizzed up Miss 2, and I rizzed up Mr. Moran.
Which one?
Oh, the one that we do every single day.
Oh, social studies? Oh.
Yeah, we just go like this. Oh shoot, we just go like this. Yeah, he's my.
It's brotherly love. It's brotherly love.
Brotherly love, man. Like brotherly love.
Don't worry,
all right.
It's not gay. It's not gay.
It's not gay. It's not gay. It's not gay. It's gay. All right. What should we do?
I think once you end the video, he'll upload more now because I'm back.
Yeah, cause like I'm not sad. But yeah.
I say, yo, watch my gritty real quick.
Damn. All right, bro. I don't even know what to do, bro. Honestly.
Well, I think we're done with the video.
Yeah, I think we're kind of done. Yeah, I think that's really all we're gonna do. Yeah, that's literally all we're gonna do. All right, guys. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. And if you don't like the video, comment down below. This video is so trash, totally. And yeah.
Subscribers, I'll be in your bed tonight.
I hope he's in my bed. Jimmy like YT. Don't get me dirty.
That's not Riz. This is Riz. Yo, is that Dora? Jimmy like YT. Don't get me dirty.
That is not Riz, bro. That is little Timmy Riz. All right.
I was floating. Hey man, you don't have to do this.
Bah! I'm gonna revive you real quick. Alright, guys. This is the end of the video. Shut up! Alright, bye.